Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C400. When you see a red LED here in front of the camera and the camera is not connecting, you see here that it's trying, it keeps spinning here endlessly and it doesn't connect. And if you bring the camera here, you see the LED is red and it never changes to green, okay, to steady green. So what I have to do here in this case is just check the router first, and later you can reset the camera if necessary. Let's just start with the router here. So basically I have here my repeater and the camera is connected to this one, and you see the LED is off right now. It looks like the repeater here is stuck for some reason, so I'm just disconnect here from power and then I can connect back and wait for it to boot up, right? So the first thing that I have to do is just disconnect from power and connect again and see if it works. That's my repeater, but you can do this also with your main router, or you can do it both, which is better yet, okay? Then after this, you just need to wait for this device to boot up. And after some time, just check on the camera if the camera is back working, okay? So if I come here, see there is this red LED. It's supposed to change to green at some time after the router comes up, all right? So let's just wait for a while. There we go, guys. You see here the LED now is steady, which means the repeater here is okay. So it's connecting to the internet. It's using my main router, but it's connected already. So I just come here to the camera and then I observe the LED. You see that changed. It was red and now it just turned off. And then at some time you're gonna see the LED is going to change to green, okay? When it changes, it's because it's connected to the internet and it's good to go. There we go. As you can see, it changed. Now it's green, okay? So it means the camera is working. Super good. Let me just put the camera back there and just tap here to refresh. And you see that's working, right? So that's one way to go. And when I come here, I see the signal. That's good. Just need to check the signal here if it's good enough as well. And then if that doesn't work, then you can reset your camera, okay? There's a reset button on this camera. You can just open the flap, the rubber flap, and reset the camera. Let me just show you how it works. Basically here, let me just bring the camera. And here I can open this flap. And there's a reset button just right here. Just need to use a paper clip, press and hold to reset the camera. So let me just do this. So just need to press and hold for 10 seconds and you're gonna see here flashing red. That needs to flash quickly, right? And then the camera usually talks to you and says that it's being reset. So let me just press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, as you can see, it's the fast flashing red, and the camera is rebooting. It's talking to me, right? Then you see here now that it is flashing red and green, and then I can do the setup all over again. I'll just move this aside and put the camera here. So you see that's flashing. Then you can just come here and add the camera again. So here, the camera is going to disappear from here automatically, or it stays there, it doesn't matter. It just disappeared, all right? So just come here to the plus signal and you add a new device. From here, just select outdoor camera, look for the Tapo C400, and it's already red and green, it's flashing there. Now it's going to connect directly to the cell phone, and then later the cell phone is going to inform the camera which router to connect to, okay? So that's the first stage. So it's working, directly connection to the camera. Remember that you need to have your Bluetooth enabled, okay? And here you can select the Wi-Fi the camera needs to connect to. That's my router. And here's the password. I'll just hit next and confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There you go. You see that the camera talks to you about the connection with the Wi-Fi. And you're gonna see this LED changing to green. You see it? Then you can just name your camera, select a location, select here an icon, and it's complete, right? So let me just put the camera back there. You see the LED is steady green. That's what we want. I just put it there, and I just hit next here. This is the cloud storage for 30 days. I can have the trial. I'll dismiss this for now. Got it. And I have a Tapo hub here in the network. Usually the camera can see my Tapo hub as well. I can record in the Tapo hub. I'm going to set up this later. I'm going directly here to the micro SD card, which I already have there. Here is information about the firmware update and more information about the camera, about the Wi-Fi, the installation, the spotlight, and everything else. You just need to keep pressing next here until it finishes. There we go. The last one here, you just need to wait so you see the blue next here. And let's just exit this wizard and we're good to go. You see here my Tapo C400, and now it's connected to the camera and it's done. So it's working, okay? Just show you here that I have the camera working pretty fine, and I have a nice image there from this Tapo C400, okay? So that's the way you can fix this problem with the red LED here on the Tapo C400. So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.